Attention over Tan Rosie, I'm Lee, my mum Monica. Plantains. So who's had plantains and not bananas? There's a pepper called seasoning pepper where my mum's from in Grenada, and it looks like Scotch bonnet except it's green pretty much usually. It can be green or red. Yeah.
The main thing is it has no heat, so it just imparts flavour to your dishes rather than heat.
So we've added in most of the spices now, and then we add in a lot of the liquids will go in now.
It will sit in the fridge for
Yeah. The smell is amazing. It's amazing.
Every night I keep on begging you. Every night I keep on asking you. Every night I keep on fighting you. But you won't give in. Girl, you won't give in. You won't give in. Girl.
How much is the nutmeg? Is it ground nutmeg?
Yeah, the ground nutmeg. I do like a quarter of a teaspoon. If you're doing a jug this size, about a quarter teaspoon.
Thank you ever so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Really enjoyed it.
Thank you so much.
I say all my